Okay guys, it is Wednesday. We're going to be going over page 291 and 292 of your worksheets today. On number 1, you're going to rewrite the sentence, adding an adverb that tells how the action of the verb was done. First, let's look at the verbs. Ava sang a song. Sang is the verb. So you have to write a sentence on how she sang it. What did she sound like? How did she sing it? Okay, let's try the next one. They did it for you. Ava sang a song beautifully. A lot of adverbs have lees. Okay, let's try the next one. Liam and John helped. Helped is the verb. So what's a way that Liam and John could help? Maybe they're going to help quickly. Maybe they're going to help willingly. Maybe they're going to help obediently. Try to think of an adverb, and then you're going to rewrite your sentence. Watch for your capital letters and your periods. You can pause the video now if you want to wait for instruction on number 2 while you finish that. On number 2, you're going to read the sentences and underline the verbs 2 times and circle the adverbs. Remember, adverbs describe how something happens. Draw a small arrow from the adverb to the verb. I'll do the first one with you. Christopher carefully carried Grandma's teacup. Where is the verb? What's the action? What is Christopher doing? He's carrying a cup. How is he carrying the cup? Carefully, and then you're going to draw your arrow. Do the same thing with these 2 sentences, and you can pause the video while you do that. Number 3, write a verb to go with each adverb. So these are saying how something happened. So if something's happening loudly, can you think of a verb that you could do loudly or a person could do? I'm going to write singing. Maybe you chose shouting. You're going to do the same thing with gladly, famously, and kindly. Go ahead and pause your video so that you can complete number 3. On the back side, we're going to be doing prefixes and suffixes. So on the first one, you're going to add a prefix, which you know comes before a root word, by writing un or re. So for example, the first one says, taking the dishes off the table. Would that be to unmove or remove? Remove. Pause the video while you do the next ones on your own. Number 2. In this one, you're going to be choosing the suffixes full or less. Full means to be full of, and less means to be without. So we're going to look at the root word. So leaving toys all over the floor. The root is care. If you left your toys all over the floor, would that be without care or full of care? Well, that would be without care. So that's being careless. How about writing a kind note to me? Would that be without thought? Or would that be full of thought? That would be so thoughtful. Remember, it's just one out. Okay, you're going to do the next 2. Pause the video, and then I'm going to go to number 3. On number 3, you're going to be writing antonyms, which are opposites, like up and down. And they give you a hint by giving you some words, and the red letter is what comes first. So on this one, we know a Q comes first. Can you think of the opposite of noisy, a word that starts with a Q? Qua. Noisy and quiet. You got it. Okay, let's try one more. Neat, and this one's going to start with an M. messy. All right, guys, go ahead and finish the rest.